All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is not a wrap, this is a full custom paint job. Looking at the wheels, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really good. Looking at the paint, see a little chip there. Looks good. Door looks awesome. Little chip there, otherwise that's very clean. Door looks good. A couple small chips. See some chips right here. See that bolt is kind of rusty a little bit. Some really light scuffs right here. They're not gashes though. Same thing, that little bolt is kind of rusty. If you get close, you're gonna see little dimples in the paint every once in a while. See a little trash in the paint. Couple imperfections on the edge. Couple rock impacts. Got a few there. A couple flaws in the light. Small dimples in the paint. And then here it is all the way lowered. Looking at this side here, flare looks good. All of that's clean. Little rock chip there. All of that looks really good. A couple impacts here. A few right there, one there. The rest of that bedside looks good. That wheel looks nice. Really light surface scratch there. Got a chip inside the handle area. And looking at that wheel, looks good. All right, checking out the interior. That door panel is absolutely perfect. Carpets look amazing. That bolster's super nice. Beautiful seat here. Looking at the steering wheel, nice matte finish to it. All of this looks really good. No complaints here. I'm not seeing any flaws that stand out. All right, looking at that door panel. Really light scuff right there. Lower side looks good. Got the custom enclosure here. Looks amazing. Looking at the seats, I don't see any imperfections there. Looks really good. Looking at that door panel, looks amazing. Kick plate's perfect, carpets look awesome. You have a really light scuff right here. Otherwise, that bolster looks amazing. The rest of the seat is perfect. All of that looks good. Dash is clean. Looking at that panel, looks amazing. Edge of the seat's perfect. Upper side looks good. Really no complaints with the interior here. It looks really, really good.